Unmatched immersion. Get your head in the game with Odyssey's 1000R panel, which matches the curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. WQHD resolution. Make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Packing in one. 7 times the pixel density of Full HD, WQHD resolution boasts incredibly detailed, pin-sharp images. Experience a fuller view with more space to take in all the action. NVIDIA G-Sync FreeSync. Dropping frames means dropping chances to put your enemy in the dirt. With G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support, Odyssey matches every frame from your graphics card, so you're never caught short from moment to moment. Rapid 240Hz refresh rate. Topping leaderboards never looked or felt so smooth. With Odyssey's rapid 240Hz refresh rate, you have up to 4 times as many frames displayed on screen every second compared to a traditional screen. Brightness, typical, 350. Peak brightness, typical, 600. Brightness, min, 300. Top reviews from the United States. What a great purchase. I decided to replace my monitor, super wide aspect, with this. I have to say the picture is so much nicer now. Also, with the curved display, all of it is in focus without me having to move my head, glasses, around all the time. For gaming, I don't know that all the FPS and sync are really needed. I am no Twitch gamer, but this display was certainly worth the price. If I had one tiny complaint, it would be that after you sleep your computer, if you want to turn off your monitor, you have to basically turn it on and wait, then select power off. I would have liked a simple click off that wouldn't have cost them much at all to include. Oh, and all the people saying the existing stand is bad. Stands are bad in general, physics people. It is actually adjustable up, down, you just push the monitor down. It starts at the highest setting. I already had a monitor swing arm though, so after testing it out I installed it on the arm and ditched the stand.